Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can voice to text on Android in Google Docs app. So if you want to write something, write an essay, for example, using the Google Docs and you're too lazy to type, you can just easily use your voice and use the voice to text feature so that your phone will detect what you're saying and turn it into text. So here you just need to open the Google Docs apps and then click on the plus icon at the bottom. Click on the new docs file. Okay, so in here, to enable the voice to text, you can just click on this microphone icon on your keyboard. Then you can just say what you want for your essay. You can see that it will detect what you're saying and it will turn it into text. And to stop it or pause, you can just click on the microphone button again. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.